And now we are going to unbox now, and this is very lightweighted, it's less than 100 grams, and I want to share with you that this has a Bluetooth 5.0 function, and we have the advanced audio codec for this. Okay, so why is it so? There is aptX HD and aptX LL, low latency. Okay, so I'm going to start the unbox now for Gen V2, and let's go. Okay, I need some time to unbox. Yeah, so let's go. Very lightweighted. Like I'm just holding the box, right? But it feels very light. And yeah, you can see this very nice and portable headset that it might be useful for you. And there's two padded pads here, and as well as a wire here. Okay, so this is our Sound Blaster Gen V2 headset with the Bluetooth function. And I'm going to take out the headphone itself. Oh yes, so very sleek design, right? It's black in color with the orange text, our creative logo on top. And yes. Okay, so I mentioned about we have the advanced audio codec input into the Sound Blaster Gen V2, right? So there is the audio codec that is called the aptX HD and aptX LL, low latency. So for aptX HD, right, it's actually the ability to transfer high definition audio for your music or songs. And for aptX LL, low latency, right, it's actually referring to the ability to reduce delay and give you a high quality synchronized like music or songs when you're listening to it. So I think this is very good, right, if you are the kind of person that listen to music when you are working, or this is actually also good, right, for your conference call. All right. Why? Because, right, this can actually connect to two Bluetooth devices at one time, so you can actually change the usage of this seamlessly. So let me give you an example. You can actually connect to your laptop and your mobile phone at the same time. So today, right, you are working on a project or an Excel or Microsoft Word document, a proposal that you are for your work, and suddenly your boss called you, and you can actually just pick up the call, right, with your phone itself, even though this is actually connected to your laptop at the same time. This is very, very useful. I think for work, right, you need something like this to actually boost your productivity. Okay, and yes, so there is also an additional function, right, that I think this is a very useful headset, is that it has the Smart Com Kit feature as well, which we mentioned in our Play 4 product just now. So for Sound Blaster Gen V2, it also has this Smart Com Kit function. So it also has this voice detect, the noise cancellation, the two-way noise cancellation feature, which is to reduce the background static noises coming from both ends, which is the incoming and outgoing audios. Okay, so this is very good. And what's more, right, the battery life of our Sound Blaster Gen V2 is up to 22 hours. Okay, it's like it can last about a day, but actually you won't have calls that last you a full entire day, right? So I think the battery life is very long, and if you run out of battery, right, you can actually switch to our wired listening using a Usbc cable, which is provided here. All right, oh yeah, I need to show you. Okay, let me show you the Usbc cable, right, that's provided in the package itself. All right, it's here. It's very, very long. Okay, I feel that it's long enough. Okay, so it's this long, and this is the Usbc cable that we have provided you complimentarily. Okay, and just to let you know, right, you can also actually charge with the same Usbc cable, right, for 10 minutes, right, you can actually get another 4 hours of usage for the Sound Blaster Gen V2 headset already, which is, you can just charge it during your lunchtime and you go for lunch and eat your meals, right, and after that you get longer hours to use the Sound Blaster Gen V2 headset when you're at work. Okay.